Welcome back. Welcome back. This is part 5 of understanding how to answer test questions when you're looking for a missing plot point, in this case, the missing y value, and how to determine the equation given certain values. So, in this part 5 video, I'd like to continue testing your knowledge. We're going to graph using slope-intercept form only by following the formula that we have here in the given the equation y equals 3/4 x plus 10. Okay, now test yourself. Let's see if you can do this. Push pause, grab your graph, draw a graph, try to graph this equation giving only your b value and your slope value. I've done a couple examples prior in videos 3 and 4, part 3 and part 4. Go ahead and check that out. Test your knowledge, see how well you're going to do. All right. So, given slope-intercept form, that m represents our slope. That b represents our y-intercept. Remember, our y-intercept is always, always, always x equals 0. Plot point. Y would equal 10. That's our b value. That's our y-intercept. When x is 0, y is our b value. Here, b is 10. So x is 0, y is 10. Let's go ahead. We start with that plot point. We rise 3 in the positive direction. Run 4 in a positive direction. Up 3 is up positive in the x direction. Running 4 to the positive x direction. So 3 is representing a positive y. 4 is representing a positive x. And so you could inverse that, right? What's a negative 3 over a negative 4? Well, negative divided by negative is a positive. So I could go 3 down and 4 in the negative x direction, and it would still be equivalent to 3 over 4. Let me show you that here. Okay. Oh, my papers are sliding. Excuse me. Pardon me. Moving forward. Hey, you can stop, pause, rewind these videos if I'm going too fast. Hopefully I'm not. I do not like to speed through these particular type of videos. So let's go ahead and graph the equation. Y equals 3/4 x plus 10 using only our y-intercept and our slope value. So here we go. Here we go. So again, the very first plot point you want to focus on is when I'm losing ink in my pen. Where our y-intercept, right? Where x is 0 and y is the b value. Here it's 10. Okay, that's our y-intercept. That's where you want to start your first plot point. Yeah, looks like we got a lot of shaking going on. I got to apologize for that. Oh my goodness. So we start at the origin. Remember that's 0, 0, 0 for x, 0 for y. We always start here to plot our points. And I go 0 directions for my x. I'm going to go positive 10 for my y value. So going all the way up here to 0, 10, I'm going to plot my y-intercept. So that straight line is either going to go this direction through the y-axis, or it's going to go this direction through the y-axis at this exact point, right? That's what the y-intercept represents. And if you're not familiar with that, please watch my videos on x and y intercepts. That will help explain what you need to do here. Now, like I mentioned, and I would like to show this to you. Your slope value, where m equals 3 over 4, is also equivalent to m equals a negative 3 over a negative 4. Why? Because a negative divided by a negative is a positive. So what does that mean? That means I can go down negative 3 and I can go over negative 4. All right? And so once you plot that y-intercept point, 0 for x, 10 for y, you can follow your slope. So here, if I was to go up 3 and 4, I'd go off of my graph, my coordinate grid. So I'm going to use the -3 over -4 method. I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3 in the negative direction, and then I'll go over 1, 2, 3, 4 in the negative x direction. There's my next plot point. Technically, I could just draw a straight line through those 2 points and I'm done. So let's just continue. I'm going to go down 3, 1, 2, 3 in the negative direction for my y value, and then over -4 for my x value. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, here's my next ordered pair. And you could keep going on and on forever. Down 3, 1, 2, 3. Over to the left in the negative x direction, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can keep going on and on and on. So I wanted to show you here using this plot point, what would I do? +3 and a +4. I go up 3, 1, 2, 3 in a positive direction, and I go over 1, 2, 3, 4 in a positive x direction. I would have ended up right here at my y-intercept. So let me just show you. Up 3, it's +3 over +4. And as you can see, after I graph these ordered pairs, excuse me, this paper's going everywhere, you'll see I have a little triangle, right? And so you can kind of do the same thing in the negative direction, right? 1, 2, 3, and then over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's a -4 direction. Down this way is a -3 direction. So I want to show you, of course, this is how you do it. This is how you graph, given only your y-intercept and a slope. All right, let's connect those ordered pairs to finish off the graphing of this linear equation. Y equals 3/4 x plus 10. Now, I'll do my best to line these up. You know, if you draw these ordered pairs big enough, you'll always have a straight line going through them. So, for time constraints, I'm going to do my very best. It may not be perfect, but it will be good enough. So, continue here, going through these ordered pairs. You can see this line goes on forever and ever and ever and ever and ever. Not quite perfect, but I think you understand the point. You could label this graph y equals 3/4 x plus 10. Hey, math is easy. Take it step by step. If I went a little too fast, please stop, pause, rewind this video. If these videos are helping you, please help me bring more of these videos to you. I appreciate any and all donations. Math is easy, step by step. Thank you.